Guess what we're doing today? Fixing to rake this hay up. Dad should be coming along shortly to bale it after I get started raking. Here we go. Well, folks, I'm getting this hay raked. Finally out here raking it. This is the stuff you saw me cutting in a previous video, so I'm going to get it raked up, and hopefully Dad will be out here in a little while and get it in the bale. Stay tuned. All right, folks, I don't know if this is going to be understandable or not, but there's a method to the madness that I'm about to explain. All right, you see how these two windrows are pretty close together, but this one is a little bit lighter. The reason why is on the very end down there is a lot thicker hay, and I didn't want to make that part too thick, but I didn't want to make a crooked windrow and have to deadhead and then blend this back in. Also, see that power pole right there? If I split it right down the center line of it, then I can come this way and just have to barely go around it, and as I'm going back this way starting the windrow, I can go around the other half. That way I don't have to make a full loop around it and try to get all the hay in. So I hope that does some explaining. It's a lot easier to show it than explain it, but I'd figure I'd try. Since I'm sure my explanation was about as clear as mud, that's what I was talking about right there, that I can split the middle right there of that line of that power pole and not have to go full circle around it. Just saves a lot of time. We won't talk about what happened over there and why it looks different than other corners. It might have something to do with that I kind of wadded it up into a huge ball and then had to fix it. So, yeah, we just won't talk about that anymore. Field's done. On to the next one. Look who's here. Finally made it. I'm sure he's going to catch up with me before long. That's not a lot over there. Up there. Now on to all this. This is going to take a while. I know he's going to catch up with me. He's already done with that other field over there. Here we go. Well, guys, he caught up with me. Well, I went on and split this field. I told you about in the previous video that there's a ditch. I think you can kind of see it running right through there. I just don't like bouncing across it with the cutter or the rake, so I just split this field. So working on this one now. Look who's here! Mr. White, bring Gatorade. Wow, thank you. It's so thirsty out here. Oh, my goodness. He's a lifesaver. closing in on being done with this field. Probably got another 30, 45 minutes left. Let's get a look at that one over there. Those windrows won't be there long. Dad's on his way back out here. He's back. I don't think he'll be able to catch up with me this time. I don't have much left. When I get done raking, I'll film some more of them baling up for y'all. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today. I'm done raking. Dad's got a little bit left to bale. He'll be done here in a few minutes. I'm fixing to go home, get cleaned up, get this dust off of me because it itches. And I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comments what you like, and feel free to like, share this video, and subscribe if you hadn't already. And if you do, remember to turn on your post notifications so that you'll be in the loop when I upload some more videos. So I'll see you folks later.